So what I've been doing here is I've been manually charging up the battery, and the orange light and white light does come on. So if I remove the battery, connect the power direct, you can see orange light flashing, white light. Yep, so that's a good sign. That means we most likely just have a, there we go, battery has some life. This battery is what, 8.8 volts, so voltage 8.8. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this charging, and then I'll come back to this video later on. We'll connect our special charger. Okay, we'll leave it like that, and I'll come back later on.